If the brush roll indicator light turns red, it could mean there is a blockage or a clog. First, turn off and unplug the vacuum. Next, check all openings for clogs. Press the lift-away button to detach the pod from the floor nozzle. Then press the wand button to detach the wand from the pod. Press the handle button to disconnect the handle from the wand. And press the hose release button to remove the hose from the pod with the handle detached from the wand. Using a flashlight can help you find obstructions in the vacuum. Next, check the floor nozzle by turning it over to reveal 3 gray locks. Use a coin to unlock the cover. Lift off the cover and shine a flashlight into the openings to check for clogs. Remove any debris that appears to be stuck. After all clogs have been removed, reattach the cover by securing the 3 gray locks. Reassemble your vacuum and plug it in. The indicator light should now be green. Your Shark Rotator Lift-Away with Self-Cleaning Brushroll is ready to get back to cleaning. For additional support, visit sharkclean.com.